The FarmIQ FEP provides everything you need. With an interactive map, diary and step-by-step template, doing your FEP yourself is easy and cost-effective. Use the interactive map to plot areas and points that present environmental risks to water quality, such as stock crossings, raceways and riparian margins. You can also create blocks to identify different management practices such as cropping and winter grazing. The Farm Environment Plan template takes you through a comprehensive risk assessment that includes nitrogen, phosphorus, soil erosion and waste management via a series of questions. There's also a page to record nutrient budget and overseer numbers should they be required under local policy. Plan and record new, ongoing and completed objectives such as fencing waterways and riparian planting. There are helpful suggestions here, or you can write your own in the boxes provided. Here you can also set a review date and associated tasks in the FarmIQ diary. These tasks can be cross-referenced to features on the map, such as particular paddocks or management blocks, making it easy to track progress across your farm. The summary provides auditors and consultants with a one-page snapshot of your completed FEP, and third-party access allows others to easily view and edit your FEP online. You can email it as a PDF and print the document and map layers as you wish. The FarmIQ FEP has everything to make farm environment planning easy.